It's when the tip of your penis is so sensitive that just a little touch or small penetration and you are releasing. Let's be honest, guys, we've all been there before. You see, one big reason why we don't last long is the fear of losing our erection. Yes, for most of us, it's not like we don't last long, but we know we can't keep our erection. So we choose to release early instead of losing our erection and not climaxing at all. I know that finishing early, it hurts. Yes, it hurts so much. But let's be honest, you losing your erection without finishing early, that's more painful. That's why you have to fix the fear of losing your erection so that you can last longer. Naturally, L-citrulline from watermelon has been shown to boost blood flow to the penile region, and that can give you healthy erection. I've done full breakdown in this video, so you can check it out after here. Now, for some people, they have no fear of losing their erection. In fact, they have healthy erection, but they are just not lucky. There is something we call penile hypersensitivity, which is when the tip of your penis is so sensitive that just a little touch or small penetration and you are releasing. So for some people, it's genetics. They are born with it. For other people, they inherited it like it's their property. They develop it through urinary tract infections. UTI, STI. These cause inflammation on the tip of the penis, and that can increase the sensitivity, and that will cause you to release early. So penile hypersensitivity is one of the reasons why we are not lasting long. So what do? First, you have to get checked. If there is the infection, you treat it accordingly. You can also use condom. Condom will add a little bit of thickness around the penis and reduce the sensitivity a bit. Or you can also use the delay spray, but that will only work for you temporarily. You have to fix the root cause. Now, this part is very dicey, so please listen carefully. Caffeine. In fact, an amount of caffeine of around 100 milligrams has been shown to help men to last longer. And the problem is with the intake, the consumption. Overuse of caffeine or a high intake of caffeine in the form of energy drinks, coffee, will give you the boost, will give you that stamina, that power, but it will overstimulate the sympathetic nervous system, the one we talked about in the previous video. That will cause this anxiety, this rush, and that will cause you to release early. So when it comes to caffeine, please, you have to limit your intake. And also, this is very important. These caffeine, they cause fluid loss that can lead to dehydration. Dehydration will lead to loss of blood or will reduce your blood volume, and that will also reduce blood flow to your penile region, and that can affect your performance. So when it comes to caffeine, limit your intake and hydrate. Now, this is very painful. The products that you use to help you last longer can itself be the reason why you are not lasting longer anymore. Yes, the delay sprays. Overuse of the delay spray can lead to what we call tolerance, which means that now the tip of your penis do not respond to the usual dose. So it makes things worse, or you have to take a higher number of sprays, and that can put you at risk of what? Side effects. So whenever you are using the delay spray, you are always advised to use them occasionally while you fix the root cause. And one major root cause when it comes to premature ejaculation is anxiety. You have to fix the anxiety, and one factor that plays a role is lack of magnesium or deficiency in magnesium. And that will lead to our fade point. Magnesium helps to calm the sympathetic nervous system, get rid of the anxiety so that you can last longer. If you lack magnesium or if you are deficient in magnesium, that anxiety will be there, the sympathetic activity will be high, and you can't last longer. So you can get magnesium from food. But if you want a quick boost, you use, or it is recommended to use the magnesium glycinate supplement because it has a higher absorption, less risk of causing diarrhea, and the glycine component, it's what that does the magic. It will calm your sympathetic nervous system, get rid of the anxiety, and that will help you to last longer. I'm Dr. DrLeøn, and these are the 5 hidden reasons why men don't last longer. Fear of losing our erection, penile hypersensitivity, excessive use of caffeine, lack of magnesium, and lastly is overuse of the delay spray. What do you think? Drop a comment. What do you think is the biggest reason why men don't last long? So that we break it down together. I'm out.